Vivo V20 Pro 5G with Snapdragon 765G, 44MP dual selfie camera launched at 29,990 rupees. After launching the standard Vivo V20 and Vivo V20 SE, the Chinese giant completes the lineup with the unveiling of the Vivo V20 Pro 5G in India today. The Vivo V20 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset, also found aboard the OnePlus Nord, includes a 44MP dual selfie camera, and more. This smartphone was first launched in Thailand back in September earlier this year. Vivo V20 Pro specifications. Vivo V20 Pro features the exact same design as the standard variant. The only way to differentiate between the two is the bigger notch on the front here. The 44MP eye-tracking autofocus camera present on the V20 is now accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens for added versatility. You can now easily capture some amazing group selfies. You can see the eye-tracking autofocus feature in action. You will find a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a standard 60Hz refresh rate on the front. The panel boasts a 20:9 aspect ratio, 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution, and HDR10 support. There's an optical fingerprint sensor present under the display. Under the hood, the Vivo V20 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset. It is coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage, which is not expandable. The smartphone runs Android 10-based font TouchOS 11 out of the box. We can, however, expect to see the recently announced Origin OS skin to arrive on the Vivo V20 Pro very soon. You can check out the Origin OS update roadmap. The triple camera module on the rear is helmed by a 64MP f/1.9 primary sensor. It is paired with an 8MP ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree FOV, and a 2MP depth sensor. If you're someone who clicks a ton of photos, there's a 4,000 mAh battery on board that should last you a day on a single charge. The 33 watts flash charge adapter will help juice up the phone in a jiffy when the power runs out. Price and availability. Vivo V20 Pro has been priced at 29,990 rupees for the single 8GB plus 128GB variant in India. This smartphone will be available in two color variants, Midnight Jazz and Sunset Melody. It will be available on Flipkart, Vivo's web store, and popular offline retailers.